We're making a Purple Rain cocktail. Did you see the movie Purple Rain back in the 80s? I probably saw it like 90 times. Gonna rim the glass with lemon. And I'm gonna dip it in this purple sugar. Isn't that pretty? You can buy this sugar at any craft store, any cake decorating store. Now for the good stuff. 1.5 ounces of vodka. 1 ounce of Blue Curacao. You find this where you find the triple sec. It's the same, the schnapps, that kind of stuff. This is one ounce of grenadine. 1 ounce of cranberry juice. This is pure cranberry juice, not the cranberry drink. And 1 ounce of pineapple juice. You're gonna wanna try this if you're a Purple Rain fan. This is nice and fruity and delicious. Try it at home, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. You take care now.